Good morning, students. MS Assess. In previous lecture, we discussed how we can create forms, queries, and today we will discuss how we can create reports. And remember one thing: queries means filtration of data. If we want to see the data according to our requirement, we use queries. And form is a simply one uh, interface. By using that, we can easily fetch the data, get the data, and display the data that is saved in the tables. It means we are not directly connected with any particular table, but with the forms, we are assessing the data. So look at here, I am going to create one table, and then after that table, we will create queries, we will create forms and reports, okay? I am opening the table in design view. Table name is, suppose it is a student, and I take here roll number, then your name, then here is class, then I take here marks. Marks, it is number, data type is number, and primary key is on roll number. So this is design view, and if I double click on the table, I am saving the table. This is datasheet view. So I take here name, class, marks, roll number 2, then class 9th, 89, 3, class 9th, 98, class 10th, 56. So this we have entered 4 records, and here we have 4 columns. Columns are also called attributes, and rows are also called records. Now in case I want to display the data in a report, so I will have to click on create. Here is report group. Okay, here is report, report design, blank report. So different methods for creating reports are there. Report, report design here, report wizard is there. So there are different methods for creating your report. Now I click on report. So look at here. This is my printable data in a printed format. So easily I can get the printout of this one. The examples of report is your telephone bills, your electricity bill, any invoice. If you purchase something from the market, you get invoice. So that is a printed format of your data. Data is saved in tables. But whenever we create a sheet on which different data is placed there and we can get the printout, this feature is called report. So here we can change the settings. So look at here. This is how we can add or remove the different contents of your report. So this is called report. We can get the printout of this one. Otherwise, from table we can't get the printout. So this is tables are not a in a printable format. Reports are for communication. Tables are just a primary location, primary place where we can store the data. But reports give us facility to communicate or give the information to the different users regarding the data. So this is called reports. So here 4 means number of records are 4. So if you have any doubt, you can raise your hands and we can format this with the help of a formatting tab. So whenever we create any report, new tabs automatically here: design, arrange, format, page setup. If I click on format, background color, background image, if you have any image in your computer system. So look at here, pictures, look at here, background image. So here we can also uh, fill the colors, select the component and fill the color. This is formatting. We can also change the border colors. We can change font size. Yes, there is one doubt. Yes, Bani, unmute your.
मुझे आपसे ये पूछना था कि जो ये रो आ रही है येलो कलर की, सर ये इसमें डिलीट हो सकती है कि नहीं?
Beta, your voice is not audible. Please repeat your question again.
सर मेरा डाउट ये था कि जो ये येलो कलर का बॉक्स आ रहा है, सर ये मतलब ये रिमूव हो सकता है
Yes,
इस
yes, yes, you can.
एप्लीकेशन में?
Yes, you can remove this, beta. Select this and press delete key. It will be deleted.
ओके सर,
So you
थैंक
can
यू सर.
set the components according to your requirement. So there is no any uh, fixed rule regarding that. You can't remove the components, so you can. Okay, beta. So this is your reports. So whenever you will create the report, the different tabs will appear. These tabs are design, arrange, format, page setup. These are only for report. So look at here. If you click on, you can hear different features are there. You can apply these features. Format may be different, and you can change the font color. Okay. You can change the background color. You can make your text bold. You can change the font face. So different features are there. So this is report. Now we will discuss the remaining back exercise questions. Yesterday we discussed about true, false, and then fill in the blanks, and then we discuss. Now we will discuss the MCQs questions. This is on page number 54, and you will give the answer of these questions. Yes, Prabal.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Prabal.
Sir, in reports we can add report card. Our report card can become in reports.
But please repeat your question again.
Sir, our report card which we get
Yes.
report card. Sir, we can add examples of report.
Yes. But your report card is the best example of report. It means your data is saved in databases, and when you get the printout of your report card, data is coming from the tables, database tables. So your report card is the best example of reports. Very good, beta. Good. Now, page number 54. Which query allow addition, deletion, updation, and pending operation on data? Yes, Prabal.
Sir, action query.
So it is a action query. Good, beta. Good answer. Next is which query prompt you for input before it runs?
Sir, parameter query.
Yes, parameter. Parameter means value. You will have to give the values. You will have to give the parameters. Then third, which option is used to change the appearance and size of various controls of form? Yes, beta.
Design view.
It is a design view. In design view, we can make the changes according to our design. Next is what does the top selection of query window display?
Selected table.
In the top, there is a selected table, and at bottom, there is a grid view is there. How many views does Access provide to display a form?
Sir, three views.
So there are three views: form view, design view, and a layout view. Next is which key define a relationship between two tables?
Primary key.
We can set the your relationship on primary keys of different tables. So remember one thing: tables data must be same in order to provide a relationship. So now there are some questions, some short questions are there. Now Bani will give the answer of this. What is query?
Yes, sir. A query is a database object that helps us to view information from one or more database tables that meet a specific condition or criteria.
Very good, beta. This is query, means filtration of data according to our requirement. Now Anvay will give the answer. Explain the parts of query window. It means that there are different parts of query window. You will name that and explain. Yes, Anvay. Hurry up, beta, give the answer. Prabal?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Parts of query window. So
Yes.
different parts of query window are,
One
sir,
is yes, beta.
field table show sort criteria or
And these are in a design grid, okay?
design grid.
Because we know that there are two parts of your query window. A proportion is for tables, different tables, and second portion is for setting your query. Next is what do you understand by criteria? Yes. Any Bani, Bhavika, give the answer. Question number 3.
It contains the condition on the basis
Yes.
of which the
Yes,
record will
beta.
be filtered in the
With the help of this,
criteria.
we can set any condition. Okay, this is a criteria. For example, roll number greater than equal to 10 or less than equal to. We use the relation operator in this. Remember one thing. Next is into how many types a query can be categorized. Means different types. Query can be categorized by you of. Yes, any student give the answer. I will not give the answer. Hurry up, Anmol.
Yes, sir. Microsoft Access provides various type of query like select query, parameter query, cross-tab query, action query, and
Yes.
SQL query.
Yes, good. Differentiate between select and parameter query. Prabal.
Sir, I can speak.
Yes, sir.
So yes. Sir, parameter query is a type of select query that promotes you for input before it runs.
Yes.
For example, you can design it to promote for 2 dates. Access will then retrieve all data with the values between the specified 2 dates. Select query retrieves data from one or more tables and displays the record set in a data sheet.
Yes, beta. What is a form? Briefly explain its use. So we have already discussed what is form, and you will explain what is form and also explain its usage. Yes. Who will give
Form
the
is a piece of paper on which a user fills required information in specific fields. Uses of forms work like quite similar forms. It allows you to add and update data in one record at a time in a table.
beta, this is
Form
a
can be different.
yes. This is a bookish language, the definition given in the book, but in simply we can say the form is an interface. For by using that, we can easily get the data from the user or modify the data from the user. Next is what is report? Bhavika.
Report is an effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing or filtering.
So this is you can say printable format of your data. And how we can get the printout? So look at here. So we have here data is here, and here we have data of one report. You will have to click on file and click on print and then click on print. So you will get the printout of your data. So these are the questions. Now there is a application based question here. This is page number 53. Swati created a database of her classmate and entered 30 records in it. The teacher has asked her to show the data of those students who have scored less than 50% marks, suggest her the method to apply this criteria. Yes, anybody better? Yes, Prabal?
Are using queries by writing less than 50% in criteria row of marks field.
Yeah, simply, this is a query. So we will generate the query in which criteria will be the marks less than 50%. So next one is next question is one company created a database in order to maintain the privacy of each employee. Why, which feature is applicable? Yes, any student beta.
Sir, forms can be used.
Yes, forms can be used. Beta. Yes, good beta. Otherwise, we can't give the access to the data table directly. It means anybody can change the data. But whenever we set, we create forms, and in that forms, we can create some conditions. According to the condition, the data will be appear on the screen. Look at here in your email ID. In your email ID, you get your emails. You are not getting the emails from of any other person. So this is form. So this is these are the back exercise question of chapter working with queries. So if you have any doubt in these questions in chapter number 5, you can discuss with me with that.
Sir, can you explain foreign key?
A foreign key is simply when we set the relationship between two tables. When we get create the relationship between two tables, and that particular field is called a foreign key. So look at here. I have one table student. In this, I have a name, class, and marks. So I'm going to create another table. Table name is suppose information about house. Okay. So I take here roll number, then take here house name. So I created the table. I save the table. Now I'm going to enter the data. So roll number 1, house name is suppose A. Then roll number 2, house is B. Roll number 3, house is again A. I'm not giving a specific house name like Shakespeare house or any other house. I'm taking here A, B, C like this. Just an example. Like C. Okay, whenever I'm going to create any relationship between these two tables, so look at here. In database tools, if I click on relationships, in my database, there are two tables. In show table dialog box, two tables will be there. I will have to add these tables. Now, if I select roll number in house, sorry, in a student in roll number, I select this and drag my mouse with roll number in second table. So relationship is created, and this is called foreign key. It means if there is any, suppose I delete any record from student table, data will be automatically deleted from second table. ये देखो बेटा, here is enforce, okay, cascade, update, कास्केड डिलीट, तो ये मैंने अप्लाई कर दिए. ओके, सो लुक एट हियर. First, I'm closing the tables. But here is a one problem here. Data is already repeating. I'm giving here. Look at here. In house, we are taking roll number 1, 2, 3, 4. But in student, again roll number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, students. When we set the relationship, it means one table dependent on another table. It means when we delete the data from the second table, it will set that it will check whether the same data is already deleted from the first table or not. It means if we are going to insert on second table, first table, the main table, that is called master table, and second table is called child table. It means child table is totally dependent on master table. If we delete the data from the master table, it automatically delete the data from child table. And if we insert the data in primary in child table, we will have to insert first data in master table. So this is called your relationship. Yes, any other doubt? Yes, Anvik.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर. सर टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेरीज में डिफरेंस बता दो.
Okay, बेटा. Okay, students, if we click on create, and in query tab, create tab, there is a query group. So here is two way to create queries. One is called query wizard and another is called query design. These are the methods, but in your book there is discussion about different type of queries. So in normally we have one is select query, in which we can retrieve the data from one or more tables simply and displaying the data. There is no any type of criteria, there is no any condition is there. So this is called select query. But when we provide some values to the system, this is called parameterized query. It means we set some conditions like roll number greater than 10, like this. Okay, this is called parameterized query. Another query is called action query. It created new table. It means in place of fetching the data from the old table, it will fetch the data and create a new table. Yes, Harmandeep.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, आपके टूथपेस्ट